Ground breaks for $15 billion investment. Country updated on Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited operations. And Prime Minister remembers Dr. Winston Green. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith.
The time is now to invest. The time is now to put your money in Jamaica.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness's rallying call to the business community. Mr. Holness says Jamaica is ripe for investments as interest rates are low and consumer confidence is high. He says government will continue to create an environment for businesses to manage investment risk. This, he says, will be done through stable fiscal policy that's supportive of economic growth and job creation. Prime Minister Holness also asserts that creating greater efficiencies in the public sector will augur well for businesses.
I believe that this government will, in short order, transform the public sector so that it is more efficient in its service to the private sector, so that its cost to the private sector is reduced and its support of the private sector is improved. And when that is done, you will have now a significant partner in growth and development in the public sector, and that will be a great catalyst for economic growth and job creation in this country.
The Prime Minister was addressing last Friday's groundbreaking ceremony for Caribbean Broiler's state-of-the-art poultry processing plant. The 18 to 24-month project is part of the company's 7-year, $15 billion investment to consolidate its livestock, crop and research businesses in one location at Hill Run, St. Catherine. Earlier in the week, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Dr. Horace Chang, called on interest groups at the wharves to work together and transform the island into a logistics center.
The port functions smoothly when shippers are coming in with ships on time. They are being unloaded efficiently in a timely manner, and they're getting on the trucks in an efficient and timely manner, and from the trucks to the consignees in the system. And all the parties involved, customs, port handlers, truckers, port authority, shipping associates, must work in conjunction to ensure that there is a smooth flow.
Dr. Chang was speaking at a press conference Tuesday where he updated the island on operations at Kingston Freeport Terminal. Operations were halted when haulage contractors withdrew their services, causing a backlog of containers being cleared from the wharves. But with the minister's intervention, operations were normalized and the backlog cleared by midweek. Dr. Chang told reporters Tuesday that measures were implemented to ensure increased efficiency at the ports. Among them, the full rollout of the Navis Terminal Operating System and the Asikuda World, which have reduced turnaround time to 45 minutes. On Thursday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness paid tribute to the life and passion of the island's first national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Garvey. He was represented by Culture Minister Olivia Grange at a wreath-laying ceremony to celebrate the 130th anniversary of Garvey's birth. Mr. Holness also showed support for the people of Barcelona, Spain, who were victims of a terror attack Thursday. And last week, the Prime Minister extended condolences to the family of parliamentarian Dr. Winston Green, who passed away suddenly on Monday. The 58-year-old was Member of Parliament for South East St. Mary. In a statement, Mr. Holness described Dr. Green as a competent Member of Parliament who sat on the Public Administration and Appropriations and the Internal and External Committees of the House of Representatives. And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for more of the news coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.